How to get $15 on Cash App. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get $15 on Cash App. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Cash App. After you've opened up your Cash App, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then tap on the top right profile icon or on the bottom right settings icon. After you do that, you should be on your profile. There you'll see an option that says invite friends, get $15. So tap on that. Now sometimes you might have to give your contact access to Cash App if you haven't yet. After that, you can then be redirected to this page where you can simply type in the phone number of your friends or email, and after you've done that, an invite will be sent to them. After you've sent the invite, if they accept and they create an account, you will get $15. And it's basically that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.